welcome back to our robotics channel. I'm so excited today because today we received our school's Spike robot kit. So we're here today to unbox these two boxes that we have here for the Spike Prime. The first one, we have our Spike expansion, and then we have here the box which contains our Spike Prime. Okay, Spike was first introduced to the world in April 2019. That was last year, but we didn't get to really get the Spike until sometime January of this year. We although ordered it August of 2019, but until 2020, I think it has something to do with the production. We have our USB cable, which will also be used as your charger. Okay, so we have first the number 5. All these beams, angled beams, and whatnot. It's really very colorful. But we have the number 1. What's in this? I do see some eyes, and I see the person right over here. You have to build it though. So we have the first one. Then we have the number 2 bag. Okay, these are mostly bricks. We then have the number 3 bag, which are mostly the pegs. It's funny that I can't see the number 4, but oh well. We have, oh there you go, I found the number 4. We have the axles and the new part, which is the clip, so that you can clip the cables and everything is organized. So we have the number 4 right over here. We have the number 5. Then we do have our number 6. I see the biscuit right over there. There's your biscuit. 6. Then we have 7, which are mostly the gears and the rubber or rubber band. 7. And then the beams, we have the 8. Then we have certain unnumbered ones. Let's just put it right over here. And then we have here unnumbered as well. Oh, here are the wheels. I see the small wheels. Put it right over there. And then we have here, oh, what is this? So we have our Spike hub, and this is the battery, which will be attaching later. So let me put it right over here. And we have our sensors. This will be the light sensor. This is not the sensor. This is one of the medium motors. Then we have our large motor. And then we have our ultrasonic sensor. We have our frame and the force sensor. Now let's go on to our expansion set. And we've opened this one up already. So we have all the bags right here. Oh, there you go. There's our big wheel. Then we have our additional large motor. And the other sensors, light sensor, frame, piece of paper, and let's get all this. There you go. We have additional large wheels and all the other boxes, and we have a very long axle right over here. So this comprised our Spike Prime with expansion set. Hope you enjoyed our unboxing, and do not forget to subscribe to Mr. and Mrs. D's Robotics and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time we upload new videos. And also, don't forget to like it. Thank you.